Throughout history, trillions of events have happened, but these events only happened once, and they'll never happen again. Some nearly destroyed civilizations, some rewrote the laws of science, and some are so rare that if Earth restarted 1,000,000 times, they might never repeat. These are the rarest events in human history. The planet is 4.5 billion years old. Every second, something happens. But sometimes, something happens that breaks all probability. Something so rare, the scientists still struggle to explain it. Let's count down the most unbelievable events that only happened once. Number 10. The Tunguska Explosion, 1908. In 1908, a massive explosion rocked Siberia. The blast flattened 80 million trees across 800 square miles. The explosion was 1,000 times more powerful than Hiroshima, but there was no crater, no impact site, nothing. To this day, scientists still debate what exploded above Earth that morning. Some believe it was an asteroid, others think it was a comet. Whatever it was one of the largest unexplained explosions in human history. Number 9. The Carrington Event, 1859. In 1859, the sun unleashed the strongest solar storm ever recorded. The sky lit up in brilliant auroras. Telegraph machines burst into flames. Operators were electrocuted. If this happened today, it would destroy satellites, power grids, internet systems. Entire continents would go dark for years. This single solar storm nearly collapsed early civilization, and scientists fear it could happen again. Number 8. The day the sun turned blue, 1950. In 1950, forest fires in Canada filled the atmosphere with strange particles. These particles bent light in a way that turned the sun blue and purple. America witnessed something that looked completely unreal. For hours the sun was no longer yellow, it was blue. This phenomenon had never been recorded since. The Dancing Plague, 1518. In 1518, hundreds of people in France suddenly began dancing uncontrollably. They danced for days. Some danced until they collapsed. Many danced until they died. Doctors were helpless. To this day, scientists still don't fully understand what caused it. Mass hysteria? Food poisoning? Psychological collapse? No one knows. It remains one of the strangest psychological events ever recorded. Number 6. The Great Molasses Flood, 1919. In 1919, a massive storage tank in Boston exploded. A wave of molasses 15 feet high rushed through the city. It destroyed buildings, swept people away, killed 21 people. Rescuers said victims were trapped like insects in glue. The disaster was so bizarre, it sounds fake, but it happened. Number 5. The Wow Signal, 1977. In 1977, scientists detected the strongest radio signal ever recorded from space. It lasted 72 seconds. The signal was perfectly structured, exactly what scientists expected from intelligent life. Then, it vanished. It was never detected again. They named it the Wow Signal. To this day, no explanation exists. The Year Without Summer. Number 4. 1816. In 1816, global temperatures suddenly collapsed. Snow fell in June. Crops failed worldwide. Mass famine spread. Millions starved. All because of one massive volcanic eruption on the other side of the planet. The climate system completely broke. It has never happened on that scale again. Number 3. The Black Rain, 1783. In 1783, toxic rain fell across Europe. The sky darkened, animals died. thousands of people became ill. This rain contained sulfuric acid and poisonous gases. It was caused by one of the largest volcanic eruptions ever recorded. The atmosphere itself turned deadly. Number 2. The Great Oxygen Extinction. Over 2 billion years ago, oxygen suddenly flooded Earth's atmosphere. To us, oxygen is life, but to early organisms, oxygen was poison. The single chemical change wiped out over 90% of all life on Earth. It remains the largest mass extinction ever recorded. And finally, number 1, the event that nearly ended civilization. Around 12,800 years ago, Earth suddenly plunged into a global ice change. Temperatures collapsed, ice spread rapidly, civilizations nearly disappeared. Many scientists believe a massive cosmic impact caused this event. Fragments may still exist across Earth today. This climate reshaped the climate, geography, and human survival, and nearly erased early humanity. History is full of repeating patterns, but sometimes something happens that breaks reality. Moments so rare, they only happen once, and when they do, they change everything. Perhaps we are on the precipice of another.